Hello and welcome to your quick tutorial on how to create a quiz or a test using Fronter. I find this ability to be very useful and time-saving, especially when you create very well thought out multiple choice quizzes, because you can actually get the quiz to grade itself. So I'm going to show you how to do that. As well, for tests, you might have to read them later on, but it gives the students the ability to do them from home. Alright, so here we go. So first you want to go to your room. Very easy. Okay. Then what you want to do is you want to go to, so this is my room, you want to go to resources. Once you are in resources, you will come over here where it says create, and you will create a test. As you see, there are many different things you can create, and we'll try and teach you some of those other things this year, but just right now we're going to look at test. So we're going to create a name, we're going to save it, okay, and then we're going to make a quiz. So right here you have the different types of questions that you can add. A single select would be to create something like a true or false, or something where, yeah, true or false, more or less. Drop down would be where you have multiple choices. Okay, multiple select is multiple choice, where you can choose one or more answers. Yes or no is true or false. Short text is a short essay question, or short answer. Long text is a long essay question, and the matching is matching. Okay, so generally what I like to use the most is drop down. So I'll just show you a quick example of making one of these. So you click on the box. So, sorry, first you click on the little green dot beside the type of question, and then you click on the box where it says edit. I'm going to make this and I'll come back to you. Alright, so what you don't really see is that I have a Word document here that is my quiz. I have all my questions here, and I'm simply just copying and pasting these questions into Fronter. Now the reason that I do this instead of just making them up on Fronter is that A, if the power goes out, the internet goes out, anything like that, you still have them. B, you can actually put those quiz documents, the Word documents, on your Fronter later on during a review so that they can have practice questions. And let's see, C, just because it allows you to also have those materials for next year if you're teaching the same course. So anyways, this is the answer right here. It's going to be a 12 question quiz, so each question is actually worth 0.5. So if they get it right, they're going to get 0.5 because it's only multiple choice quizzes. Okay, and since our grading system is by 6s. So anyways, let's pretend I put a bunch of these here. Now, if you scroll up, you see edit, settings, preview, statistics. Settings is the next thing that I'm going to show you to quickly learn how to do this kind of thing. So when you need to activate the test, I'm not going to activate it right now because I have to finish it. You can customize the opening hours, so when it will open and when it will be closed and when the students will not be able to answer anymore. And then you can have it graded automatically, or you can have it graded by yourself. And I generally have it open in a new window. Submission, so this next tab over, you can have it display how many questions they're answering. The kids always ask anyway, so it's better just to tell them. Tell them the duration of the test. Okay, you can make it unlimited time, but generally limit it to a specific time. This test will actually they'll be only allowed to use 15 minutes. I show the countdown and have a warning 5 minutes before the test is done, just so that they're aware of that happening. This quiz, they're only going to get one attempt, and although you can have them do multiple attempts, especially when the content is trickier. Okay, so then you need to make sure you save. Okay, the feedback, you can change things like that. So display correct answers. I like doing that. Unless it's like a summative, then I don't, because then the students can actually just cheat off of each other a little bit easier. I've never made this be a summative, really. So then the last thing I want to just show you, these other options, you can look into them, but the last thing I want to show you is how you actually grade it. So once you want to grade it, you actually just hit